Hello everyone. Let's set up my June pages. Let me just open my June monthly page. It has been raining a lot at the end of the May and we are entering into raining season this June. So I decided my theme for June will be umbrellas. I have chosen this pastel Tombow dual brush pens that I currently have. So I'll be using these colors for the umbrellas. This is the Muji gel pen. The tip size is 0.38. I wanted a very fine line for the umbrellas. In here, I did some sketch on the umbrellas already. I did this at the office when I needed to take a break from the chaos and frustration I was getting from the office. I am just going to simply go over the umbrellas that I drew with these brush pens. I am not going to perfectly follow the lines because I wanted some white spaces when I use the Muji gel black pen. Regarding my office deliverables has been crazy and I having some role identity crisis again for the nth time. Maybe it's me who has the problem. I guess I need to accept the fact that life can be unfair sometimes and we just need to go with the flow. Well, it's easier said than done when you are in the situation. It is so hard to control your emotions. I noticed that when I writing in general, even it's not journaling related, it helps me calm down. It shifts my mood and thinking brain to think logically back again. So recently I write one sentence a day on my weekly Hobonichi just to be able to release my stress very quickly at the office. Do you have any other tips on how you release stress? I guess some ghost drawing or walk outside or have some tea or coffee. I guess it all depends on the person. Okay, so I am done coloring the umbrellas. Now let's put some lines with this Muji gel pens. I am sorry about my simple drawings. I am not an artist, but I just like to draw. As I mentioned earlier, um, we are entering into rainy season phase. I am so glad that we have a car now and it is so convenient when it is raining. I remember those days that I needed to commute and the line to ride the bus goes so long whenever it rained. I needed to stand in line for more than an hour sometimes. Now, remembering those old days makes me think how lucky I am, even with all this frustration from the office I am feeling almost every day. If I needed to choose between the two, I will choose the current situation now. And all I need is just to learn how to control my emotion and situations that I'm in. Okay, so I guess making content and doing voiceover also helps my mental state too. It just changed my perspective and made me feel better just now. For those that currently struggling with some issues in life, just hold on, hang in there, and make small steps. I promise you that it's not forever and eventually everything will fall into the right place. Just keep on hoping and keep on praying. Okay, so back to my planning topic. I am almost done with the umbrella. Not sure if you can see it, but I didn't strictly follow the colored umbrella when I am drawing the line, so I didn't want to be too perfect and too strict about it. Okay, now I am down to the last umbrella for this monthly page. Okay, okay, now let's go to the weekly pages. Let me go to the first page that I'm going to draw. Usually on the weekly page, I don't put anything on the right side, but this time that's where I am going to focus my decorations. So basically, I am going to make the same type of umbrella on the most right side. Okay, okay, so I have run out of topic to talk about, and it happens all the time when I make over voiceover. I would really, really appreciate if you can give me some topics to talk about on my content. Just give me a comment and I will take note and will include that in my next content. So let me update you how I use my Hobonichi weekly planner, especially on this page. On the left side, that's where I track my daily expenses. I try my best to track it every single day. So far, I am doing okay with my expense tracker. Sometimes I just need to catch up 2 or 3 days of the expenses, but I am doing good so far. And also, half of the page of the left side, I will be use that portion to put um, my feelings for in one sentence. So that's what I was mentioning about to quickly dump my negative feelings on the page. While on the right side where I am drawing the umbrellas, I summarize all the daily expenses to on a weekly um, basis, and then the empty space I just leave it. If I don't use it, that's okay. I don't force myself to fill up all the right side of this page. Now I am done, so let me erase all the pencil traces. I hope you enjoy watching and listening to my topics and hope to see you next content. Bye. I almost forgot. And if you ever watch up to this point, please leave a raindrop icon on the comment section. Thank you. Bye.